Okay, guys. Well, I haven't seen anybody on YouTube do this, and that's why I'm doing it. I'm pulling out my fuse panel from a GMC Acadia 2011, and boy, did I struggle with these clips. And here's a little tip after struggling with it for a while. Here's something that I found that which really helps out is I found that when I'm working on one side of it, the other side connects back. So what I did was I took these zip ties and cut them, pulled it out, slid that between it, and now that's just sticking in there like that. And I'd put it here, here, and now these things can't reconnect when you've already disconnected them. And so as all these got around, I was able to pry it now and get it out of there. So once again, just sticking zip ties between where the clips in and clips here, and it holds it back enough to be able to pull it out. Once again, quick tip. Hope that helps somebody. Thank you for watching.